Hello friends! Create a miniature underwater world using a coaster, some rocks and a paint. This miniature is fun to make and cute to look at. Kids will love making this adorable aquarium. Also, it makes great decorations for their rooms as well. Supplies I'm using here are one old coaster. If you don't have one, you can use a cardboard or a paper plate, some rocks and gravel, acrylic paint and a paintbrush, glue and hot glue. Start by coloring the coaster all blue and make some waves. Let the paint dry completely. We created waves here and it looks beautiful, so let it dry. Meanwhile, paint your rocks now. We are making some aquatic creatures from these rocks. Just be creative and have fun. I found these two seashells. I'm going to use them as a fin and a tail for the fish. So it looks like our coaster paint is dry now. I'm going to add these small gravels at the bottom. So first I'll apply some glue. Using hot glue, I'm just going to stick the gravels onto the coaster. So make some seaweed using green color paint. You can make some with other colors too. So this is how our aquarium turned out. Looks beautiful, right? Keep it aside. While the paint dries, let's make some cute fishes. So what do you think what we're making? Yes, it's Nemo! Now, take your Nemo and put him in your aquarium. See how happy Nemo is now. And here comes our jellyfish. So just glue it on. see who is visiting our aquarium. Yes, it's Mr. Krabs. This is how we created this adorable aquarium. Hope you like this idea. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.